Good evening everyone, and thank you for joining us here today. Today is a very special hour that we're going to keep for you because today is for parents from parents. I have with me some amazing parents of our students, and we're going to sit and really discuss what are the dreams that they had, that their children had, and where are they today, what has the journey been. Is design a real career? What are the experiences that benefit one as you're going through, whether it's post-graduation or undergraduation? What are the things to look out for and really get some reflection? So to start off with, firstly, thank you very much for coming here. I know that it's a busy time and middle of the week. But what I'll do is maybe we'll just do a round of introductions. You can tell us about yourself and your child and which course they are studying or have studied at Pearl, and if you would like to a line about that. We'll start with you.
Hello everyone. I'm Renu Chawla. I'm mother of Arushi Chawla. She's just done fashion designing, and I'm very happy with Pearl. The faculty, teachers, excellent. Pearl is like a school. लगता ही नहीं है कि बच्चे कॉलेज गए हैं. It's like a school. It's just like a school. सुबह जा रहे हैं, रात को आ रहे हैं, सारा time काम. It's very nice experience, and I'm very happy with Pearl. Thank you so much.
When did she know, or when she told you she wanted to do fashion design, were you happy with that?
Yeah, I'm very happy because she's into all the time. She's into clothes, jewelry, makeups.
From when she was young?
Young, yeah.
You didn't want her to do engineering or medicine or anything like that?
No, choice is her. Career is hers, so choice is her. So I'm very happy she has done, and she's very brilliant. She got excellent award, like so many things she has done. She has done internship with, very good designers, Ibrahim M. Thakur.
That's right. Yeah. Actually, David Abraham said that she did a good internship.
Yeah, and Abhinav Mishra. I'm very happy with the faculty and Pearl. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Manocha, over to you.
We are the parents of Bhavnoor Kaur, and faculty.
What course did she do?
Pardon?
What course did she do at Pearl?
Course she did fashion media communication from Pearl, Narayana only, and rest I can say is a history. She bagged 3 awards, and 4th one was the best project and the best what we can say
she got 2 awards over here.
Yeah. And faculty was very good. As she said that it's
Don't
like
say
a school.
It's like a school. Oh.
I can say because see, what a child learns from the first step, the first class, she has learned like that only. From the first year till the 4th year, she has learned step by step. And it was just because of faculty, the teachers who told that you should do like this, make this a little better. And she slowly, she did what she wanted.
She's an amazing young woman, so hats off to you all also. I think that yes, Pearl is a place where we try to say that there are no mistakes, or it's a safe place to make mistakes. So make whatever mistakes you want, because maybe some magic will come out of that. So use this time for as much exploration as possible. And smiling mother of Bhavnoor. Were you happy when she said she wants to do fashion media communication, or did she know that always?
No, she didn't know, because in 12th she had got I guess 94%, and she'd got secured 100 out of 100 in BST and everything.
Business
studies. So when I never expected that she'll go in fashion or in this thing. So she said, Mama, this is a very upcoming course, fashion media communication. At that time, 4 years back, it was a new this. So when she came up we had so many questions in mind. We turned up to college and we met head of fashion media communication, and Meha ma'am, and she really pacified us by explaining us that what are the pros and cons. And we were so apprehensive because the grandparents, they never wanted, late nights hoga ya fashion mein hai to ye sab to it is meant to be.
Yes. Were there
So,
late nights?
They were in fashion weeks.
Yeah,
Fashion
okay.
weeks, definitely. They
I
were
think she interned in
She in-
maybe 3 fashion weeks.
fashion weeks. She's done really well, and I'm really thankful to this college. And parents need not fear about anything. It's the best college for fashion. Definitely. Faculty
Fashion.
for media communication.
Yeah.
So many courses, like not only fashion.
Super, thank you. So when she said she wants to come do fashion media communication, what did you have in mind that you wanted her to do? Was it her choice or did you
No,
want?
it was her
No,
choice.
earlier she wanted to do leather design.
Okay, and she had got admission.
She
for
lived
Yeah,
in NIFT.
in NIFT also. But she was little but I should do, I should not do. Then she came here, she read about, then she everything that about what is MC, what is fashion media, FMC. It's a short form. And she then told us, "Ki, Papa, this is a very
different and
different type of
interesting.
course.
Yeah.
It's a very
Where
vast.
she learn about
You can,
everything.
Media is also there, communication also there, then
Photography
also
is
there, setup
also
design is also there, everything is there. It's all in all one course.
Super. Yeah, great. Thank you. So we heard you say that Pearl is the best college for fashion. So I'm not going to say anything, but I'm going to move on to a parent who's not from fashion, because Pearl is not just fashion. So maybe over to both of you, lovely parents of Rishika, and maybe you can tell us about why she came, how she decided to study, what is she studying, etc.
Yeah, hi, I'm Sudhir Jaini and my wife Nupur. We are the proud parents of Rishika.
Super.
And she has graduated in communication designs, and she has really done well, in fact, and the teachers over here and the alumni, they have really worked hard and in giving her the best and bringing out the best out of her. And in fact, I can also tell you about knowledge about NIFT, because she got into NIFT first and she studied over there for 1.5 years in Gandhinagar. And but over there, it is more like a school culture actually, NIFT. So because they don't allow to shifting from one department to another. Like she got admitted to textiles, but at the end of it she got to know that she was not interested in textiles. So then we approached the Pearl Academy, and then the Pearl Academy they took her with both extended arms, and then they really sculpted her and they brought out the best in her, and she really is satisfied, and we are also satisfied that we made the right choice and we came to the right place.
Mr. Jenny, what is communication design? You said Rishika was doing textile design. So what is communication design, and did you know what communication design was when she came here?
Well, actually speaking, though, we didn't know about it, that what is communication design. We were more into the textile. Okay, you can see something in textiles, but what can you see in the communication? But she was very adept in with the computers and all the designing and all those things, and so she really wanted to be in it. So like as the parents, so we said, okay, if you want to change, so okay, you come over here, okay, we'll help you in that.
That's amazing parents. We don't.
She also convinced her. She actually herself told us about the communication design, because we actually, as a parents, our generation doesn't know about the communication design.
Absolutely.
But the thing is, communication design is a big umbrella under which you can really go into so many fields: media communication, design, digital marketing, and graphic designing. She has done internship in graphic designing. She has done projects with the Suresh Raina's wife also, and she did lots. She did internship with Azure. That's again a very good chain, hotel chain. Basically, they are running lots of hotel chains. So I think communication design is a very good field. As a parents, I will suggest all the parents who has
Everybody should join communication.
Basically, for the girls, because as a parent, I used to feel कंप्यूटर पे बैठी रहती है पूरे टाइम, करती क्या है पूरे टाइम कंप्यूटर पे बैठी रहते हैं, बट
See.
फाइनली
Ma'am, all children are on the computer the whole time. So if they're doing some work while they're at it, then
so finally with the final project हमें समझ आया कि नहीं, she used to work a lot actually.
Okay, we'll go over to Mr. and Mrs. Vesh. One thing I want to say here is that the rest of us here are parents of undergraduate students, but Shubham is a postgraduate student. What's special at Pearl is that you can do your PG in any other field and do your undergraduation in any other field and come to Pearl for your PG. So it's like a fresh start or an opportunity for those who want to study in these areas. So Mr. Mrs.
Yeah,
Vesh.
hi. We are parents of Shubham Vesh, and I am Pavan Vesh and Anjali Vesh, and we are based out of Connaught Place, and our family happens to be in the fashion designing and fashion work since last 3 decades. In fact, last 3 generations since 1939. So my son initially went to do undergraduation in BCom honors from Ramjas. Then one day he came, he said, "Dad, I think I should do fashion designing." I said, "Very good, but you are very late because NIFT and everything has gone by." So someone suggested that we should come and check this Pearl Institute, and I said, "Okay, fine, let's go and check it out." And the first day when I came, and there was a lot of question and answers, meeting with parents and one-to-one sessions and an open house, I was really charged and I was really thrilled because the kind of questions I was putting and throwing towards
I
the
met
teachers.
you that time, I
Yes,
think.
ma'am.
Yes.
I interviewed you literally.
You interviewed me. Okay.
Literally.
So now it's reverse, yeah.
Yes. For nearly 15-20 minutes
Everything
I was...
comes back.
Super. Lovely.
So I was asking her a lot of questions and about what is this course, what is this, because I happened not to join any of the fashion. I am basically an engineer, electronics and telecom. So having not got this opportunity to work and study in a fashion, so it was a big experience for me. And the way they answered all my queries, my questions, I felt that I should also join with my son.
Oh,
this-
really?
Really, because I felt this is something which I was liking and I should also join. And
We
I-
actually have older students in PG. In fact, in this year at the Fashion Week, where Shubham also and Arushi showed their clothes at the Fashion Week, there were 2 ladies who have daughters who are in college, who've come back. So not at our college, but so those girls have told their parents that they told their mothers that now it's time that you go out and do something that you like.
something which
So
you have
one has
passion,
done
something which
fashion
you have.
design and one has done interior styling.
That's
and
fantastic.
design.
That was very good. That's another good feature of this institute.
Mrs. Vesh, yeah.
It was very nice when we came to know that Shubham wanted to come and join Pearl and do his PG here. It was very nice because we had heard that there's a lot of hard work here, and then he would come and do hard work here. So it was very laborious. We were thinking that whether he would be able to give in so much of time here.
And did he?
Yes,
Yeah.
that was very nice. At Domus also, when he went to Domus, that is the first thing he came and told us that it was like school. We had to reach 5 minutes before.
Absolutely.
So
yeah.
we weren't expecting that from our son. So when we came to know that he was doing so much hard work there and staying with so many students, and it was very nice. He's come up with.
It was such a good exposure there. We go there in a forum and we stay by alone. He used to send us pictures. He's cooking, he's getting ready, he's walking, he's doing. It was amazing. Doing all sorts of things and working as a team with other students, with other people who have traveled from this. It's a different experience and a very
Experience
thing.
altogether.
He was there for a month. Although I would request and appeal to the management to increase it for at least 2 or 3 months.
2 or 3 months. Yeah.
So at least 2 months. Yeah.
So we
Because
have
learn a lot.
We have a very strong relationship with Domus Academy in Milan, and all our PG students have the option or access to go for a month to Milan and study over there, study in the classes there with the students and be mentored by our, we also send teachers, but our teachers teach the students from Domus, and the Domus teachers teach our students, and this happens every year. More than 200 students I think go to Domus Academy. So that's a great experience, and I'll take your feedback. But it's only a 2-year course, and in 2 years we're trying to make them a fashion designer or a communication
Believe me,
designer.
the kind of exposure they'll get there,
Yeah.
by working for 2 or 3 months, it will expedite the whole process of what you are trying to do
Because
in
they're
2
very
years.
charged up once they come from there. The kind of insight you get there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you can increase your course by 2.2 or 2.3 years.
So really, internationality is something that we consider very important, and we try as much as possible to have our students either travel abroad for a month or sometimes for a semester, or we get international faculty to come and engage with them. Our students also participate in international competitions around the world. Do you want to talk? Do you know about what the competition was that Bhavnur did?
Bhavnur had done Orange Fashion Project, and it was an international project.
It
where-
was a UN, yeah, it was a UN, there was a
yes.
UN project
UN
called
project.
Orange Label,
Orange
and
Label.
Bhavnur.
Bhavnur won she bagged 25,000 award for that.
First-
She-
first-
first
first-
prize, yes.
Very good.
So that was really fabulous, and congratulations to you for that also. It's not that we want our students to become foreigners or anything, but today, because the world is actually so small, and in media, in design, you can really see what's happening around the world. So it's very important for our students to be able to understand and contextualize what happens in all around the globe. You know, what is the situation all around the globe, and then work with that. And I'm going to go to an example now. Rishika is working with a multinational company. She started working. Do you want to tell?
She'll join in June.
So Rishika has got a job with Capgemini,
Capgemini.
which is a global multinational digital transformation company.
Yes.
Super. And so congratulations for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
And
much.
do you know what she's going to do there?
She is doing to be in web designing and
Yeah.
She's going to do, you know, the app in the app department, and this is the IT company actually.
Yes.
And where they'll be working on the apps and different things, you know, over there. So basically, you know, graphic designing and coupled with the IT solutions. So it is a mix of that.
Yeah.
Well,
So
That's
मैम
what-
I'll love to
Yes,
share
please.
one experience. Actually जब बच्चों की ये जॉब्स के लिए इंटरव्यूज चल रहे थे, तो दैट टाइम शी वाज गिविंग हर इंटरव्यूज, एंड फैकल्टी बहुत हेल्प करती है हमारी पर्ल की विद द स्टूडेंट्स. दे आर सो फ्रेंडली. Rishika was bit upset because Accenture में she was very much interested कि she'll get, but somehow she said, "Mom, I missed that job." I said, "It's okay, beta. Something better must be waiting for you." And the very same evening, Ravinder sir called her up and he said, "Rishika, get up and सुबह पहुंच जाना and तुम्हारा interview है, and this company is better than previous company and you are not going to miss this opportunity." And she was so happy, and I must say Noida faculty, because we are in touch with that faculty, Ravinder sir, Yaman
Sakshi
sir,
ma'am,
Vikram
Yaman.
sir, Sakshi ma'am, Shilpi ma'am, everybody, they helped her a lot. Like the whole journey of 3 years, because Rishika did 3 years from Pearl, it was amazing for her, and she never felt lost in college. So we are definitely thankful for the
So
Pearl.
next day, you know, it was that interview with the Capgemini. So, and she got through and she was really happy for that, and all the faculty, they were really happy.
I think we were also really happy because I think it was 7 or 8 students, and of course many more students had applied for that, but that was an amazing week. It was called the Tech Week, and we had IBM, Accenture, Capgemini, TCS, I think,
TCS,
and some maybe 52 students got placed in with those companies. But those are the companies that CD students want to be in, not necessarily the companies that everybody else wants to be. Can you tell us, ma'am, what is Arushi planning?
Arushi got admission in Marathon She's going to Milan sometimes in, I think, September end. And
Is she going to do fashion design?
Fashion setup.
Fashion setup.
Yeah.
Super. And was that an easy decision for her to make to go to do her masters?
Yeah.
We generally find that around
She's already prepared for the,
for the-
specialization and all.
about 30 to 40% of our students go for their masters after like a year or 2 years. So some of them go immediately, some of them work for 1 or 2 years and then go for their masters. And
But she wants an experience, like such a good company, Dolly Kinderson.
They work for a year or two and they get some experience, and
It's
then
a
they go for the
personal-
PG or something.
Manikant sir ne, guided her.
Manikant sir taught her in
In
foundation.
foundation,
You're still in touch
No,
with
no,
him.
yeah, she's in touch.
She's still all the
still in
faculty.
Yeah, she's
Yes,
in,
yes.
I am telling you the faculty
Why
from
she's
the
a-
very first
मैं
step.
फर्स्ट ईयर वाले टीचर के
They
साथ
are helping now also.
Manikant sir, I can't imagine.
I can't,
My
I can't say
Foundation
every,
Ma'am,
on every
actually
step.
बच्चे connected
my
होते हैं.
daughter said
Same
that
with my daughter.
Manika sir did
She is
this.
still
Manika sir
connected
is
with the
guiding
Yaman
my
sir.
So
Last year was
even Mr. Ashish,
Some, and
work
it's a personal
experience.
choice. You can decide. Some people like their children to go immediately and study because once you start getting money, then people say ki chodo.
even Ashish sir also told her कि भाई you should get a 1 year
Yes,
experience.
that's fine.
And you can go for the masters.
Same with Rishika.
If you have
She's
experience, then you go, then you can relate theoretical
It's
and
completely
practical
up,
much better.
up to you. Yeah.
Because theory and practical is quite different things together, especially when you work.
suggest? How should it?
Actually, it's completely up to you. There are some students who are actually ready and they know what they want to do. If they know what they want to do, they've done their research and they've decided, like Ayushi is going to do fashion setup. So she knows that, then that's fine. Others have reached a particular stage, like for example in communication design, but she doesn't know maybe whether she wants to study further in user interaction or user experience or graphics or experience design. So then you taking that 1 year, 2 years to figure out, to figure out what it is that
Because
you
there are
want
so
to
many
do.
things that you've already done in these 3-4 years. So
Absolutely.
you need to.
That's fine.
Need time to decide.
We have relationships.
Management.
Yeah, you can do management.
Yeah,
You
Rishi
can
wants to do management
yes.
because she said, I am not going to work
Yeah.
as a communication designer throughout my life. I
be a
want to
design
manage.
manager.
I
Super.
want to be a.
So that also is there. We have relationships with a lot of colleges around the world, so they can always come back to see where the seniors have gone to do
So
their
what is
masters.
this design management about?
So design management is a new field maybe, and it's the areas where you look at how do you manage a business using design process and design thinking. It's not just about like what you're doing, sir, is running a fashion business, but design management is using design thinking to create your systems, to create your processes.
Wow.
It's very interesting.
That's another new field that we've
That's
come
like
to know about.
strategic design.
Yeah.
And on top of it, I guess, because all the top management institutes around the world, they prefer a little, experience. That 1 or 2 years of experience, and then you come over here, and then they get, and that is, they give some marks for also for that.
But let me tell you that the top management institutes around the world and the top organizations around the world are all looking at design. Today, design is something that's becoming extremely important. Whether it is an IT company, even companies like KPMG, Ernst & Young, they are buying design houses because a designer is getting put now on the table equally with an engineer, with an IT person, with a computer scientist, and they're all working together.
Everyone's creative.
Absolutely.
They want uniqueness. They want
Actually, the
something
same thing
different.
is happening in this also, no? This
Absolutely.
Capgemini.
Absolutely.
Because it is an IT company and they are needing these
Their
designers.
own design house
Yeah.
now.
If you show someone something which is already there or something similar, they say,
See, I think आज के time में छोटे से छोटा business भी they want design because they have to hire designers for the communication design basically because me myself is running 2 NGOs and हम लोग उसमें भी designers ढूंढते रहते हैं. We need every time designers to do communication.
Absolutely.
Because
So
otherwise
the best
we
thing
can't.
about Pearl is, when you come here, the vibrations, the environment is so charged up, and it is so cool, so relaxed. Believe me, the moment I always enter this, and when the students are there, I feel as if I'm not in Delhi, I'm come to a world-class institute somewhere in out of the Delhi. And therefore I'm saying, and therefore I'm endorsing it. You know, it feels as if you're not in Delhi. The kind of hustle bustle, the kind of students, the kind of you go to us.
The kind of clothes they're wearing, the
Yeah,
way they're
that's
dressed up,
amazing. It's amazing.
it's amazing.
I think the environment is fabulous, and what's
Fabulous,
really interesting is nowadays we're seeing like a fashion designer, when she's launching her collection and she needs to get a film made for it, she's connecting with the communication designer. The interior designers are working on the set design, the fashion media communication are working on the events, on the communication. So really this kind of multidisciplinary opportunities, you're creating that network right from the start, and I think that's one of the things that we find is quite special. I think.
You can't do it individually, you need a team to do it, so you get it all here.
Super. So, ma'am, you come back to Pearl now. I think. That's a new opportunity.
Put in so much thing.
That's right. Okay.
That was-
Maybe I'll ask one more round of questions. Can you think of one thing that you think has really changed in your child in the last 4 years, in her either personality or way of thinking or his, and maybe we can just do a round of that. I can see you nodding. Do you want to start? Okay.
She's changed a lot. She's changed a lot, and more she can tell.
Okay.
Because
The woman always knows. Yeah.
No, the mother actually, the mother is the best.
I
person.
saw the father and the grandfather clapping for the award.
You
so
remember,
yes.
It was really great. Like from start there was some spark in my child where I saw like she's bagged consecutively 4 years, she's bagged the award. That hard work and everything was there in her. And the way she's groomed actually. She's groomed from the start, from foundation. She was such a knave when she came to, when you're coming from a school, till 12th they were in a school, and Pearl, when she came into Pearl, like first year, foundation was also, you know, she started grooming, she came into designing, and second year also, it was very tough for everything, because first year it was everything, for foundation it was same for everyone. Second year she went for fashion weeks where she learnt, you know, something different, and on third year photography was there. Photography was, they were given an opportunity to learn in any of the field. I guess styling also, photography, and in media communication they got the opportunity to learn in, they can move in any field, मतलब आप कुछ भी learn कर सकते हो. So that 2 months of styling also, it was very good for her. And in fourth year it was her portfolio, in where
So you feel she became more groomed?
very
well
much,
groomed?
very
I
groomed and
saw the
very level
confidence
headed.
level in her.
Confidence level and
increased step by step.
very level headed. Means and very, matlab, I used to ask, suggest, ma'am, Noor, you are okay, you're doing so much, for so many hours you're studying, you're doing so much. No, mama, until and unless I get the best, I can't leave the. Until and
super.
कहीं पे भी जा रहे हैं, कहीं पे भी कर रहे हैं, अपने आप जो भी कर रहे हैं अपने आप कर रहे हैं.
Was she always like that?
या सब कुछ अपने आप, प्रिंटर ढूंढ रहे हैं, कभी डाइंग के लिए जा रहे हैं, 9 बजे फाइल्स बाइंडिंग के लिए जा रहे हैं.
very true.
तो
I forgot all
बहुत
this. This was there.
independence को, you know, sometimes we feel यार अकेली जा रही है, कैसे मैनेज होगा, but नहीं, they are very bold enough, very independent.
Super.
Hats off to Pearl Academy
Super. And they used to go with other students or by themselves for projects?
for projects.
And anytime out of the city for any craft documentation or trips or anything like that?
They went once to Jaipur.
That's right,
For some, you know, some collection.
Putting the collections
Yeah, together. Yeah.
So you felt that she became more independent and
More
confident?
confident, well groomed.
All right.
I'm feeling very proud.
Rishika, really, you know, she went through a sea change actually. Previously, since nursery KG, she was trying very hard till 12. And after that, then when she entered into college,
Trying very hard in her studies.
in her studies, but in her college she really blossomed actually, and she really excelled. Like the college, it brought out the best in her, and she was able to bag the, you know, top 5 awards. So one of the top 5 awards. So
Maybe it's about doing something that you really like. When you become
focused,
passionate
actually.
about, if you're passionate about
Actually,
something.
she used, as a mother, I know, she used to tell me, Mom, I don't know what will I do in my life. I really don't know. I'm not able to focus because I'm not enjoying anything till textile designing first year. The moment she get this opportunity to do communication design, and she said, "Mom, now I know what I want to do." So she became more focused definitely, and she was very confident. Initially she was bit hesitant about the things definitely, but now though she is extremely confident. I think Pearl के सारे बच्चे बहुत confident होते हैं.
Yeah, that is a
फैकल्टी ने एवरी ईयर सबने फैकल्टी ने बहुत हेल्प किया है.
So I think
It's
as
really
a parent definitely parents should not hesitate to.
or
send
parents
their
should
children.
also maybe listen to your children sometimes. Maybe sometimes the
Yes,
children
definitely.
know what it is. Like it must have been really difficult for you to shift her from textile
was a-
design and come and into
It was a
different
difficult
city. So
decision.
these
It
are
was
all
very
difficult
difficult
things. to do.
Parents are listening to the kids only all the time now.
No,
Oh,
no,
yeah.
no.
Yes,
You
They
better
are
come
telling
and meet
us-
my children.
Yeah. We listen to them all the time.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, do you want to say
Unconditionally.
anything about Shubham? I know that you have a very
Shubham-
important
Shubham,
meeting.
has, he never knew how to focus on things and how to work on projects, how to make projects, and how to do a lot of how to create and go about it and get it done.
What a portfolio meant.
So
To see him make those big portfolios
Isn't that
and
amazing?
those thick ones
Yeah.
was really amazing.
seeing him on machine stitching a shirt, then ripping it apart, that it is not correct,
Yeah.
Yes, yes, ripping apart happens.
and then he going and asking that it is not correct, you have to do it again, then understanding how it goes. It was a big change in him, and now he understands fashion, he understands techniques even better than what I do, even after on hand
amazing?
experience.
And isn't that what we want? That our children can be better than we are, have
makes
a
you
better
feel so happy,
future,
yeah.
do
And
something.
more focused and more understanding what they want. After coming here, he knows that what his priorities in his life are, how he's going to go about doing fashion, what he feels about fashion, and how he can correlate the modern plus his older family business, how he's going to relate to
I
that.
think that, and he's going to bring in some newness maybe into the business.
Yes, he's got full of
That's what
ideas,
we're
that is
looking
what
for.
is there.
Absolutely,
You know,
absolutely.
and this all is because of Pearl, definitely, there is no two ways about it. And the main thing he said, Dad, I have joined Pearl not only for 2 years, the Pearl is going to be my part of my life till the end. Because every year I am going to go back to Pearl for something or the other.
Absolutely.
I said, son, you have spoken my heart, because Pearl is an ocean. And I would suggest to all the students and alumni that every year they should come back to Pearl. From Pearl you can take so much and give so much on the other hand also. It's going to be very good, for everyone.
Thank
Pearl
you.
is an ocean and Pearl comes out of the ocean.
Thank you so much. So if you would like to go,
Let us speak,
whatever,
you speak, then we go.
your-
I'll take leave.
Yes,
ma'am.
thank you very much. I know that you have an appointment
Yeah.
to go for. Thank you, and I will see you around to call me then.
Thank you, ma'am.
so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Maybe-
Okay, bye-bye.
Nice
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Maybe we could just talk once about the final project or the final work that these young designers have done. I think Ayushi worked on sustainability in her collection. So do you know anything more about that, and why did she choose that to work on?
I think she is very particular about the कि मुझे यही करना है. So she has done on western wear.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I think she's into Western wear. She's brought into the fact that the world doesn't have unlimited resources, so we should be conscious of what we use in our clothing, and I think that's something that's really important in fashion, because we keep hearing that you buy a lot and you throw a lot. So if you can make a garment that is sustainable, that will last long, and that people will use more, I think that's really special. And I think that's also something that's special at Pearl, is students sometimes tend to choose topics that have a relevance to more than just the garment or the app or whatever it is that we're doing. Do you want to talk about what Bhavnoor did for her final project? Yeah.
Bhavnoor chose a tabloid that she made, and the theme was color. So it was she said that everybody is doing something different in fashion. She said that in color she wrote about all the articles, and it was a newspaper, in which she gave the articles about upcoming industry, like in graphics also,
yeah.
and colors, what all be upcoming in graphics, in technically
In interiors, yeah.
interiors,
How
Yes,
colors matters.
Yes.
in
how
society.
everybody's lives.
So she created like a magazine come
Pentagram,
tabloid.
yeah, it was by
which-
the name of Pentagram.
Pentagram,
It's her own brand.
which she can bring out I think she wanted to bring out 4 issues in a year.
Yes, yes.
That talks about color, trends in color and how that is being used, in different industries.
In different
That's
industries.
something that would be quite interesting. In fact, we have a good tie-up with Asian Paints now,
Yes.
where they are coming and teaching our students about color trends, how important it is, because color is not just what you see visually. It impacts mood, it impacts, you know, how you react when you are in a
She had done
particular
actually a
colour.
lot of
Yeah.
survey also.
That's right.
She
and,
had, you know,
and
been to a
her
lot of
tabloid
people.
was amazing also.
Tabloid
I
was
think,
really
did she
amazing.
get selected for her job based on that?
No, before that.
Before that.
Before
itself.
that. She got
All
it.
right, fine. Okay, do you want to tell us about what Rishika
I'll
did,
tell
which is
something.
special, but you have to also explain it.
I'll tell something
Yeah.
about it first, then she'll take over. Actually, you know, Rishika is a sensitive child and very sensitive to the issues of the people, you know, surrounding her she's in contact with. And so she was very sensitive to this, you know, LGBT issue. So she had...
You understand LGBT?
So she was very sensitive to this issue. So then she, first of all, when she decided on this, so we were a little hesitant naturally. Why you want to go into such a difficult thing, and it needs a lot of research and this and that, but she was ready for that. I'll do the research and maybe I'll work for an app also. So then she went into it and then she did the research and so much of work she did. I mean, it was amazing the kind of focus she showed on this issue and well, yes, she in fact even created an app called Saga. Saga. In this, she addresses the needs of the children, the growing children, for the sexuality and all those things. So she wants to make everyone aware, from the school level itself.
And she also got school counselors and other counselors also to be a part of it. So one is you can log on to the app, you can understand about sexuality, you can understand about different kind, like a sex education kind of sexuality education, and you can talk to a counselor. Somebody can, this is something that is quite important today and especially for young people.
Actually बहुत छोटी एज से ही बच्चों को ये प्रॉब्लम होती है. In Indian society especially there is no education regarding sexuality. Initially ऋषिका के लिए चैलेंज था ये समझाना कि sexuality is not talking about sex. People used to feel कि if she is talking about sexuality that means she is talking about sex. So that is a challenge. Initially घर से start हुआ था because parents को and grandparents को समझाना सबसे difficult task था. And she has to do lots of research because project was very tough. And her mentor was also against her कि मत कर, this is the toughest
It's a
project you are
difficult
doing.
thing to take
So
up.
don't do this. And she used to come, mama मैम भी मना कर रही हैं, I don't know क्यों, मैं क्या करूँ. I said if you are focused and you really have some aim in your life and you want to do that, then go ahead. Whatever your mentor is saying, उनसे जो guidance मिलती है वो positive guidance तुम लो, and whatever, because she is also a part of Indian society and हमारे सबके कुछ certain issues हैं जो हम लोग इस topic को discuss ही नहीं करना चाहते हैं. So if you are focused, then you are a changing generation. So just go ahead with the project if you really want to do it. She said, Mom, it's okay, now I am going to do this only. And she does extremely hard work in this. इतनी NGO, मतलब उन NGOs के पास जाना, it's a hard thing कि कौन सी NGO है, कहाँ पर मिलना है, उनसे time fix up करना, वहाँ पर जाकर उनके सबके interviews लेना. And she is still in touch with the NGOs and she wants to work with them, for them. And the best part, Capgemini also work for the LGBT community.
Oh really? Okay.
So now she is very excited, Mom. I am going to present my app there, and I love to take it ahead.
Even Babnoor had done a project on say no to violence against women.
Yes.
That was the one in which she had got the UN award for. So I think what's important is that we don't see design just as something which is for beauty, but design is really something that can change the world. Design is something really that makes a difference, and everybody can have an impact. That's why, as we said, designers are coming more and more into demand. I'll just take a few questions. I think we're running out of time. And the rest of the questions will get answered by the career advisors on the page itself. Himanshu? Yeah, okay. So, Jyoti Sardana is asking about accessory design. So, yes ma'am, accessory design is a really interesting and upcoming industry. So, accessories include jewelry, it includes wearable accessories and home accessories. And today home is also something that's becoming very important, because we all want to make our homes be as lovely as possible, and technology is also coming into accessories. Like you have Alexa, you have wearable tech that you have music that goes into garments, etc. So, accessories is something that's doing very well. Somebody else is also asking about fashion management. Prem Lata is asking about fashion management. Again, that has amazing scope. If you look at the fashion industry in India, there are a lot of large exporters, large buying agencies. So, all the brands from around the world, whether it's Gap, Esprit, Next, Zara, they all buy, and they have companies in India that buy their products for them. Fashion management also looks at digital marketing for fashion, branding for fashion, retail for fashion. So, these are areas in which there is a lot of scope, and people are seeing more and more that instead of taking a BBA, it's better to take a fashion business management student, because they understand business management, but they understand the fashion part of it. So, for example, in say in Nestle, you would be merchandising or marketing KitKat, and KitKat you have the 2 strips wala, Diwali ke liye 12 strips wala. Whereas if you're working for Zara or for Will's Lifestyle, every 6 weeks you have a full new collection. So, it's a lot more exciting, there's a lot more pricing, sourcing, colors, products, etc. that are there to work with. There's a gentleman Dilip Kalra who's talking about fashion styling. I think that's also something that's interesting. You talked about it. Yes. Fashion styling is really about creating an image or creating a feel, a look. I'll give some examples of what our fashion styling students do. They work for film. Okay, so you can style a film. So we have students who have interned and alumni who have worked with all these Netflix series like Made in Heaven, Rajma Chawal, because so you're giving a look to you're deciding on the clothes. You don't design the clothes, but you select the clothes, you select the color of the background, you select the makeup, you select the jewelry that goes in, you style the interiors to give that feel that this is of the right time with the right.
Once which she learned for styling, it was so unique. The clothes were, everything was at home, and because she learned that if you are of this shape, you're supposed to wear this. If you're like, you know, it's according to your personality. Like whatever the clothes, this is the way you style it.
Super.
So it's a very good, like in 2 months, those in styling, it was very good, amazing it was.
So all these actually areas are areas that are new and upcoming, and we find that there are a lot of opportunities. Now some of these opportunities are straightforward in great jobs like we have here in Capgemini or in Dorling Kindersley, which is a Penguin brand. Some of them are entrepreneurship. Some of them is freelancing. So it depends completely on what the student wants to do, and they are also guided and mentored to hopefully make the right choice, because there are so many choices. Like when you meet students, they say, oh, we got a job here, but we are still looking. I say, no, don't still look. You have a job, please keep the job. Haven't you heard that in India, everyone is looking for a job? But if you are sitting with 1 or 2 jobs in your pocket, so please take the first job, stick with it for 2 years, learn something, because there is something to learn in all jobs, and design is a career that is just growing. There was a research done which said that in 2018, India needed 7,000 designers, and for 2025, it's estimated to be 63,000 designers, because designers are now, like I said, moving into all other fields. A lot of, when I went to IBM, I'm in Bangalore recently when we went for the launch of our Bangalore campus, the head of, I think, UI UX from IBM was there, along with our alumni who are working there, and 2 were fashion designers. So I said, why would you take a fashion designer to work at IBM? So he said that we want people who can think differently. We want people who can think out of the box and who can think differently, because they are a business person or an engineering person looks at it from an Excel sheet point of view, whereas a designer will take some different blocks of the Excel and create something new or get a new solution for that. So really design is there in transportation, in creating the New Delhi railway station. We were discussing about the whole New Delhi railway station was done up again, and it was looked at from a design point of view, because actually they said that New Delhi railway station is not just a railway station, it's the biggest hotel in India, because 6,000 people spend the night there every day.
Exactly.
Yeah, sleeping on the platforms or anywhere.
But nobody could see that, because an engineer would, or a construction person will just look at it as a station, but somebody in design has learned to understand, empathize, observe, like Manikant sir must have told her, observe. Don't observe just what you see, look behind that.
I think designer की observation definitely एक layman से better होती है, because they'll see everything design mind से.
Why out of the box? As she said, they think out of the box.
मतलब
And that's the thing actually.
Rishi always said, Mama,
That's
each
what
and
they're trained
everything
for
around
over.
us has a design.
And that's what they're trained for over here actually.
So thank you everybody for coming to listen to us. Career advisors will answer the rest of the questions that there are over there on the Facebook page. And very, very, very special thank you
so
to
much.
parents. I think it's been a pleasure, and I've seen some of you again and again, and just because your children have graduated doesn't mean that you stop coming.
Definitely.
Yes?
Definitely
Thank
not.
you. Thank you very much for your time, and super having you.
Thanks, Atan.
Thank
Thank you so much.
Can we have a photograph please?
Yeah, we can do. Okay, they're just, he's going to close and then we take. Yeah?